Good day, traders. It's a little early today. I just thought I only did one trade myself. I just thought, let's do it. It's Monday. It's a crappy day. I was even thinking when the price was down here, I was thinking, I should just go back to bed. The hell with this. It's Monday. But every day's good now. Every day's good. So anyway, let's get into the setups. So we're looking at the 1 minute MNQ. Okay. So as you guys know, I do not take the first trade into the opening. I find that very risky. Well, a good chance you won't. Well, you can make profit, but there's times when it flings right back up or something, and you wish you didn't do the trade. And today I wished I didn't do the trade. So I did this trade. Let me show ya. Let me show ya. Very easy to spot this trade. As soon as we crossed up in here, I got long in here, and I only took the profit right in here. I only got 30 points. And I said, that's good. That's good. That's good enough for me. At least I won, right? I won, and that's all that matters. So anyway, the second trade, hold on, let me put on the arrows. So this is the first trade with the divergence. Whoa. There's a little springy. Okay, let's try it again. Right there. That's the first one. There's the lower close, buy it, up it goes. There's the second one, and the third trade was right here. Lower close, buy it, up it goes. This is the 1 minute time frame I said before, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. The reason why I did not try to sell it in here, because I don't know, I had this feeling, and I said, nah, don't do that. That could be something bad, turn into something bad, and I'll probably lose. And it looked like a freaking, look at this right here. What do we have here? We can make it bigger. I can show you. We had like a barcode right here, right? And then, yes, if I would have sold it somewhere up here, it would have been good. It would have went down, right? And then the second one was right here. But I didn't do any of those. I didn't do them because I didn't trust them. So there is the first. Well, the higher close, sell it, down it goes. And the first one was over here. Let me show you. If you are brave enough to take it, because it only opened a few minutes before this, you don't know what they'll do in that first 15 minutes. You don't know what those motherfuckers will do. You know what I mean? So we had a higher close, sell it on that one, on the opening of this candle. And it only gave a few points, and then it, ratcheted down. Yeah, I should have held this one longer, shouldn't have I? Shouldn't have I? Oh, well. Sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. So here's the lower closing candle. Buy right here on this one, and look, it would have went up here. And now my throat's drying up. Sorry about that. That's what happens when you get old. Your ducts in your mouth, the ducts that, put out the moisture in your mouth, they start to dry up as you get older. So anyway, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lower close and higher close, and they all worked out. Yeah, they all worked out. Yep. That's it. That's it for the setups for the MNQ. So now I'll move over the MetaTrader 4. Okay. There we go. NASDAQ. Oh, don't look too good on the 5-minute now, does it? They trapped so many people down here, the sellers who sold down here. That's the main reason why I didn't want to sell down there, like on the 1-minute, not even on the 1-minute, because that was on the bottom low of the range. And you never sell at the bottom. You buy near the bottom. You sell near the top. That's it. I know, easier said than done. Well, that's what you have to do. And you know what? It took me the longest time to, I would say, hardwire that, program that into my thick head, my skull, because we're so used of trading, like wrong on the at the wrong time or wrong place or whatever, something like that, and you just got to tell yourself, you got to program it in there saying, don't sell near the bottom. Don't get FOMO into your mind. You know what I mean? And if you do get into a trade, you got to be careful too. Like, do you really want to add on to a loser? That's high risk. People do different things at different times. I do it too, but it depends how the market is moving and all kinds of things. Okay, so here we got like a round top. There's no divergence on here. It's like, come on, that's a NASDAQ 5-minute. And here is the S&P 5-minute. And it doesn't look much better. See what this is telling you? This whole shit here, you can't trade this on the 5-minute. You got to trade it on the 2-minute or the 1-minute. I say the 1-minute. The 1-minute is the new 5-minute. Believe it or not, just like they say in California, well, the what do they call it? The new 60 is 40 in California. Yes. That's what you got to look at it here too, or you get in trouble. Look at this. This is the Dow. And wow, up it goes. Hundreds of points, like always. How much did we go up? 337 points. See, and there's just no trades in here. They just fuck people, man. You got to put it on the 1-minute. Let's see what it looks like in the 1-minute. No divergence here either. There is up here higher highs, right? And this goes down. But it's just telling you to sell now. Okay, which it is 10:13 a.m. And we don't know if it's going to go all the way back down here, but it sure does seem like it. They're pushing it. Okay, let's look at the pound dollar. Do we have any divergence here? Here's a double top. It's a little one, but it's still a double top. See, right in here. Just like that. And you would have got in right there. As soon as you saw the 5 come down below the 7 and the price closed down below the 7, that's only 16 pips. But if you held on to it, it went down 24 pips. That's the pound dollar, man. Doesn't do jack shit today. We have divergence over here too, though. Lower lows. Just like that. And it went up 28 pips. Okay. I'm not going to mark anything else. Euro. Yeah, Euro had a double top up here as well. And down like this. And we would have got short in a year like this. And it went down 19 pips. That's pretty good for the euro, I guess, for these days. Pound yen, what? Oh, pound yen, just a chopping. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's bad. That's really bad. Oh, but there's a trade right here. I got to show you this trade. Yeah, I barely traded last Monday as well, and it worked out for me. It worked out good. 65 pips to the upside on the pound yen. So that was okay. Did the euro yen give us the same? Oh, euro yen is very choppy. But we had divergence though. Oh, it went up 76. What do you know? We have lower lows. And we have this. And see how it's pointing up, meaning the price is going to go up. Did the price go up? Yep, it did. It did go up. Oh, yes. 49 pips. Okay, what about oil? Oh, look at the big run up in oil. Oh my goodness, what kind of news came out for that? Went up 100 points to 70 bucks a barrel. Let's see, daily. Oh, look at the big turnaround here. I know my chart's all cluttered up with this shit. One click, no. Indicator list. No, not edit. Delete. And delete. There. Whoa, look at all the stuff I marked on there for this month. Lots of. Yeah, if I go, I'm not gonna do it. Anyway, it's breaking trend. It's going, man. It's going back up. You know how they're talking about, oh, price of gasoline's down and everything. Okay, yeah, well, it came down this big run here. Came down dollar, I don't know, 81, 65 to 81, 65, 70, 81, so $16. It went up $16 a barrel, or I mean, came down. Well, first it went up, then it came down. Now it's on its way back up for sure. So anyway, that's the oil. What did I do there? Did I do anything? Yeah, there's divergence. There's divergence to buy it. Right there. Double, triple bottom. Triple bottom, ladies and gents. And that went up to there. And there. And it went up 102 points. Okay. Then we had gold. What did gold give us? I think I see something. I think it was good. Higher highs. And this pointing down, meaning the price is going to go down. How much did it go down? We would have got in somewhere in here. 200. Wow, gold was good, Fook. Did you do this trade, Fook? Went down 200 freaking points, man. There it is. Look what we have right here. We have a hook down. Right there. Boom, down it went. Yeah, it's the only trade I see. So let's look at Bitcoin and everything. It's down, it's down. Bitcoin, oh, it's up a little bit. But XRP is, oh, it's bouncing off now. It really collapsed last night, almost to $2. And now the big boys are getting it at a better price. I keep telling you this every day. That's what they're doing. They're going to buy it back up. So they get in at a better price. And all the traders who, got the hiccups, who think, oh yeah, there's some more divergence there. I was just looking at some divergence on the 1 minute, the S&P. Yeah, could have been trading that. But anyway, XRP is, they're buying it up, and that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, listening, and coming out and driving out in your car and all that stuff. I really appreciate you guys coming out and listening. It's really good. If you like what you heard, tap the like button. And if you don't like what you heard, well, don't do anything. Have a cup of coffee. I think I'm going to have a cup of coffee now. Yeah, I didn't have any coffee today. Let's have some coffee. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's it for today. Thank you very much. If you trade this afternoon, be careful. Trade the setup, not the assumption. Trade what you see with your 2 eyes, not what you think. Assume to think in your head, okay? Always trade what you see, not what you think. When I started doing that long time ago and waiting for it to break, fresh levels of support or resistance, that's when I started to win. Before that, I was guessing. Guessing can turn into gambling. So if you're guessing that, I think it's going to go up today, it probably won't go up. It'll go down. And if you're trading what you think and not what you see, oh my goodness, you're going to be in trouble. All right. Have a good day. Good luck and good trading.